comes the man, hot damn.
What's up? This is Jam, back with another beginner house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the pas de bourrée. Now, the pas de bourrée is not a step that is exclusive to house, but in house, there is a certain way to approach it. And I'm gonna show you the timing and the groove with it, okay? So let me just show you the footwork first, okay? So I'm gonna start with my right foot, and we're gonna start on the one, okay? So we're gonna step one. Now, pas de bourrée goes back, side, front, right? So we're gonna go back, side, front. Okay, so now we're stepping forward again, right? So just the footwork is step forward, step behind, step to the side, step forward, okay? So now with the timing, when I take that first step, I'm gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, yeah? So we're focusing on that bass because in house music, the bass is what's driving us. So that's where the emphasis is going. We're going boom, dot, dot, boom, dot, dot, boom, dot, dot, boom. Okay, so that's the basic timing and footwork. And now we gotta add that jack into it, right? So there's different ways that you can groove while you're doing this. But I find the most fluid way is to use a back jack. So how we're gonna put the jack and the pas de bourrée together. When we take our first step, that is gonna be our first rock. Now, if you need help with the jack, I have a tutorial right there that you can check out. So when I take my first step, I'm gonna go back. So I'm gonna use that back jack, which is like this. I'm gonna go boom. So this is my first one. 1, now on the 2, I'm gonna jack again. 2 and, okay? So there's 2 jacks in the first pas de bourrée. 1, 2, and then as I take my third step, that's when I can start again. 3, 4, and 5. So every time I take a step forward, back, then I go back and back. Boom, boom, da, just like this. Okay?
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now, if you want more training in-house, I just put out a brand new class inside of my membership here on YouTube. In this class, we go through a progression of all of the basics. Now, if you want to check that out, you can click the join button below. And of course, if you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.